Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be sharing with you my saving challenges that I will be doing for 2023. So if you are interested in seeing all of my saving challenges that I have set out for me for 2023, then continue to watch. Okay y'all, so this is my saving challenge book. It is called Lavish Money Saving Challenges, and it is a custom made saving challenge book that I actually put together for myself. So on this side of the page, I have all of my challenges listed out, and there are 23 challenges plus a couple of bonus ones as well. So here there's just a little section that has the instructions on it. You're either scratching, you're marking an X, a little check mark, or you're going to color something in, and a little motivational quote, because I like to have those little motivational quote to just kind of keep you going. So here is just my slogan. It says live, laugh, and save like a boss. Then I have another one that says live, laugh, and budget like a boss. So that's for my budgeting content. So this one is for my saving content. So before I start the challenge, it just says things to remember: you are strong, you are enough, you are capable, you are valuable, you are important. So a little bit of motivation to get the ball rolling. On this side, I have my saving overview. This area can be used to track your savings quarterly or annually as well. So there are 4 quarters in the year. So for each quarter, you can track your saving goals on a monthly basis, then a quarterly basis, and then an annual basis. So at the end of the year, you can see how much you saved in total. So the first challenge that I have is my emergency challenge. Then I have girls just want to have funds saving challenge. So for that one, each month of the year, you have 5 opportunities to save for that particular month, with little bonus savings involved, because some months have 5 weeks in total and some have 4. So I just put like little bonus savings just in case you wanted to save for that extra week. So everything is all covered. Next, I have my 50 envelope challenge. I will be doing the 50 envelope challenge this year just because there's a lot of challenges going on, and I don't want to overwhelm myself with the 100 challenge, the 100 envelope challenge. It is in the book though. So I have a $5 saving challenge, a $10 saving challenge, as well as a $15 saving challenge, then a 5, 10, 20 saving challenge on this side. And I went with a pretty much a neutral type of overall scheme with just pops of color. So it's a pretty much black and white with just pops of color here and there. I have my self-care saving challenge, luxury purchase saving challenge. Then I have, this is a fun one, I'm really looking forward to this, the bingo saving challenge, where it's like they're little icons and each icon has a designated value. So once you scratch it, you'll see how much you'll be saving. And here we have the 100 envelope challenge, and then a little motivational, inspirational, telling you just edification on money. So 5 stages of money making: saving, investing, multiply, and maintain it. So that is how you are able to accumulate wealth, by following these 5 steps or stages. So over the rainbow saving challenge with it, which is like super cute. I wanted to actually have these ones as little scratch off, but I made the book to a happy size planner, but I'm going to offer both size. So the happy size planner and then the standard 11 by what, 8.5 or 8.5 by 11, something like that, the regular letter size. So I just think this is super cute. Then I have the 52 weeks saving challenge. I kind of left it open just because here in Canada, we do, the smallest bill we have is a $5 bill. So I will never be stuffing $1 into my challenge. I just won't. So I kind of left it open. If you are like me and you live in Canada and you just simply want to start off by saving $5 in your envelope and not have a whole bunch of loose change. Next, I have the 31 days saving challenge, and this one is actually on my website as like a single saving challenge all on its own. Then my Bon Voyage challenge, it just means safe travels. That's French for saying safe travels. And I have my dream home saving challenge, which I'm not, you know what, I kind of have a whole binder dedicated toward my dream home, but we'll see how this one goes. Then I have my rainy day saving challenge, which is also another scratch off, followed by little raindrops that have designated amount. And then this is a fun one. I've never done this one before, roll the dice. So basically I have a dice somewhere here. I'll try to make sure I have all my equipments before I start my challenge, so I'm not looking around for them. So roll the dice is gonna be new for me. I didn't do it last year. Then I have a complete scratch and saving challenge where you're able to scratch either 10, 20, 25, or 30. And I just put this here at the bottom just to remind myself, okay, this is probably one of the first challenges that I'll do, the scratch off, just because it's a mystery and just kind of get it out of the way. So here we just have a little money mindset quote from 1 to 10, just to motivate you and get you staying on track. So be motivated and consistent, keep track of your expenses and etc. Stuff like that. So then at the back of the book, I have 4 seasonal challenge. So I have spring, summer, then I have autumn and winter, followed by, and I think yeah, all my the 4 seasonal challenge, they're already on the website. And then at the back I have a few bonus saving challenges. So I have deck of cards saving challenge, and this one is new for me. So you pick a card, a random card, and then you save the designated amount that is on that particular card. So I got these cute cards. I can't wait to show you guys. I ordered them on Amazon and I'm just like so excited for them to come. Can't wait to show you guys. Then I have my 0 out saving challenge. And then at the back, I thought this was super important. I have just a little self-care section where you are able to do some self-care and do self-care challenges as well. So self-care is, the noun is the practice of taking action to preserve or improve one's own health. I just think this is very important. That's my baby in the background. He's gonna be doing the do. So on this page, I have a 30-day self-care challenge. So you could just pick a random month, or you could just repeat them over and over until these self-care just become a habit and a part of your daily routine. So next I have a little section that says practice self-care. So these are just little things that you can do on a daily, make it your routine, make it your habit where you're practicing self-care towards yourself. Then I have a book reading savings challenge, or not a saving challenge. I mean, you could make it a saving challenge, but it's just a book reading challenge. So you could turn it around and make it into an actual saving challenge where for every book that you read, you save a designated amount, be it $5 or $10, and then you could just put that towards getting new books for yourself to read. Followed by some habit trackers. So I think it's scientifically proven, or the studies have been done that shows that if you practice something for about 31 days, it becomes a you kind of master that habit, right? So there are 31 box or little circles, and you could just put a habit that you would like to track or master, and that just go ahead and do that. So there are 12 boxes. For 1 month, you can just practice one habit, or you could just practice that same habit for the entire year, however you choose. I have a little section at the back for notes just to close things off. And I kind of made it fun and whimsical where I didn't want it to be just lines. So I made it fun where you can set some little goals, make a wish list, maybe a little motivational quote, stuff like that. And then at the very, very back, you have some line papers where you could maybe jot down your thoughts or do a little brain dump in. And I close things off by saying, invest in yourself because it pays the best interest. And I think that's 100% true. And then the book is all done. And I kind of left it like this so you could color and decorate it and just log the book and save it. I don't know. So yeah, that's it for the book. And I really want to do physical copies, but I'll see how that goes. So now I'm going to show you my binders. All right, so my first binder up is my lifestyle binder, and it is completely different from what I had last year. They're not in any particular order. I'll probably go back in and kind of organize them. I just kind of put the envelopes in so I can show you guys. So I have my 1 month ahead, followed by my 3 to 6 months expense, my envelope, and then my 4 little Bambinos envelope. That is they. And then I have one for car insurance, taxes, investment, Costco, and move-in, and then debt. So that is it for my lifestyle binder. Next up is my high priority binder. It is pretty much the same as last year, with the exception of, I think the trackers, maybe I changed them just a little bit. So I have our home, household, car maintenance, which is very important. I had so many car issues last year. Then I have one for medical, retirement, followed by birthday, then a little mini vacation, even though I already have one in my Saving Challenge book. These are just like mini challenge, and I think what I might do is once this is full, then I'll kind of transfer it over into there. I'll see how that goes. I have one for Boss Babe, and then a savings, and this is just a little 12 weeks saving challenge. Then I have a treat yourself saving challenge. So that is it for my high priority, which my high priority and my lifestyle, it's kind of intertwined. They're almost the same. So now I'm going to show you my business saving challenge, and I went for like a pink money background type of thing with these like quirky kind of letter writing. So I have office supply, inventory, taxes, YouTube. So for any new equipments that I want to get or giveaways that I want to do, anything related towards building my YouTube channel. Next is subscription, marketing, because that is important, and then my PO box. So that is my business binder. The other one, which is my absolute fave next to my saving challenges, is my home sweet home, or my dream home binder. So here I have just a little dashboard that says home sweet home. So, you know, that moment when you move into your new place, you just want everything new and just fancy, right? So I have an envelope for living room, and then these are the trackers. I have one for kitchen appliance, all of that good stuff, right? Netflix. I just think it would be so nice to have a year savings towards all of your expenses, especially once you have a mortgage, because things are gonna start getting real, right? It's not like paying rent. Not that it's not important to pay your rent, but I'm just saying, once you buy a house, it's real. So I have phone, one for internet, one for electricity, utilities, property tax, mortgage. How nice would that be? Just to have 1 year's worth of mortgage saved, right? So bathroom, and anything else that I haven't covered will go into miscellaneous. So that is it for my dream home binder. The last one is the saving challenge, and I just think this binder is so cute. And you guys already kind of saw the saving challenges in the book. I just want to show you the envelopes that I came up with, and I think this is it's so me, so lavish, so cute, so just right on trend, right? And yeah, I like it. So I need to organize these so they kind of line up with the book. So I have my 510, and then I'll just kind of show them to you guys. I don't need to say what they are. This is just what they pretty much look like. I just think they're so cute, and I can't wait to start doing my challenges as well as my cash envelope stuffing. You'll hear my baby every now and then in the background. So those are they, and I have 23 plus a few bonus challenges, so I think it's 24 altogether saving challenges that I will have. What else did I want to show you guys? These, my cash envelopes. For this year, I opted to go with fewer cash envelopes. So I just have 4 for this year. Last year, I think I had maybe 6. I had like a personal one, and I don't even remember, but I think I had about 6 cash envelopes. So this year, I kind of simplified things a lot more, and I just have one for groceries, one for miscellaneous, one for entertainment, and then one for gas. So whatever the envelopes that I took away, I will just kind of stuff miscellaneous, and miscellaneous will cover everything that I don't have an envelope for. So that is it. And what I'm doing is pretty much using January to kind of prep myself for the saving challenge. I just don't want to jump right into just start stuffing and saving right away. I really wanted to take things nice and slow and steady. Slow and steady wins the race, right? That's what they say. So yeah, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I can't wait to see what kind of challenges you guys are going to be participating in. So until next time, bye guys.